Hi everyone, so I am in Santa Ponsa this morning, just down the road from Palma Nova and Magaluf. And this morning on this bright late November day, it's absolutely glorious. Okay, so in this video I'm going to take you along the east side of the resort, and we're going to go and check out some little known beaches and a rocky coastline which is fantastic for snorkelling and scuba diving, and then we're going to take a walk down to the port as well. And then on our way back into Santa Ponsa we're going to go and visit a new cafe in town, and it's called Penny's Tea Room, and it was set up by Penny just after lockdown happened, so she's got a fantastic story behind the tea room, and already it's proving to be a really popular addition to the resort. Okay, so I'm going to leave the beach now and head towards the left side of the resort. So I'm walking up the east side of the resort, and this street has quite a lot of restaurants. Some of them are actually still open, you know, I mean throughout the winter season, and most of them have fantastic views from the terraces across the bay and across the beach. So fantastic place to come for dinner, and there's so much choice as well. I've just walked past Italian, Thai, obviously Spanish, tapas, that kind of thing, but just tons of choice down here, and also lots of little supermarkets and shops too. Okay, so here's hidden gem number one. Now, if you take the right street, just where that junction splits, and then take the next right as you walk down the hill, you're going to come out into a secret little bay here, which is a fantastic getaway from the tourist masses on the main beach during July and August. And it's a fantastic swimming spot. I mean, just go and get a deck chair, go and get your own little sunbed, and just come on down here and go for a swim. Come on, let's go and see. Okay, so just to give you some perspective, you can actually see Santa Ponsa beach right over there in the background. So it's about this little beach here, this rocky cove, is about a 10-minute walk. And as you can see, walking along these rocks, there's loads of little spots here you can pitch up for the day. And the water here, of course, it's super clean, it's super clear, and it's just kind of away from everybody. Anyway, but you can see that the rocks go all the way around the coast here, so it's actually quite a nice little walk. But we're going to go back now, and then we're going to go back up onto the road, and we're going to head down towards the port, which is right at the end over here. Okay, so I'm coming up to hidden gem number two. This is Calo den Pellicer, and apologies for any mispronunciation there, but this is another secret hidden beach, just another 5 minutes walk along the coast here, and I can imagine it's a lot quieter in summer as well. It's probably popular with locals as well, and popular with residents here, but it just gives you another option over and above the main beach in the town. I just want to stress as well that there's so much more to Santa Ponsa than meets the eye. It's not just about the main resort, it's not just about the main beach, and if you wander a little bit further you can find absolute gems just like this. So leaving this little beach, let's keep going around the coast and keep heading towards the port. So I've gone off track again. I found another little stairway that goes down towards the water's edge. I can't resist, I'm sorry, I'm just exploring the area. It's amazing. I mean, this is beautiful. I pretty much guarantee there's like going to be nobody down here during the summer either. It's completely out the way. I mean, this area of Santa Ponsa is just miles away from the usual stereotypical image of the resort. There are just so many beautiful multi-million euro houses here. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous, and it's just 5 minutes walk up the road. Come and see how the other half live. I'm just going to show you that there's some other cool swimming spots just down below on the rocks as well, which I do believe that the locals here use during the summer. So if you are coming on holiday to Santa Ponsa, you just have to come and check it out. It's absolutely glorious. Now you can see over here, there are actually some steps that actually go down into the water. So I would say this is pretty much a proven snorkeling spot here on the island. And I think next summer I'm going to have to go and try it out. It's a little bit cold today, I don't think I'm going to go in, but this is definitely going to be one cool snorkeling spot. So I thought I'd just stop off here and just have a drink and a snack, and you know what they say, if you sit there long enough the wildlife will come to you. And in front of me I've got a cormorant who's come out of the water and he's sitting here taking the sun. It's absolutely gorgeous. He's got his wings spread and I'm not quite sure if you can see it properly, but he's sunbathing. He approves of Santa Ponsa as well, he absolutely loves it, look. And he's still there. Anyway, come on, I'm going to head back up to the road and let's go right down to the port. Keep walking and you'll approach the Cross of Discovery, a symbolic part of town where settlers first arrived centuries ago, and now it's become a fabulous lookout point. Follow the road down towards Club Nautico Santa Ponsa and the port, and just go down the steps to the harbour. This is quite a pretty port to take a walk around. The boats here are a lot smaller and you have a lot of fishing boats here and small weekend cruisers. I'm guessing that mainly belong to residents on the island. They're not your massive, huge super yachts that tend to live out in Port Adriano, which is just up the coast here. But it's really nice and peaceful to come down here and just go for a walk. There's some nice looking restaurants here as well where you can pick up some lunch or some dinner. And I can imagine they're quite busy here over the summer too. Okay, so I'm going to head back to Santa Ponsa now. It's late morning and I need a proper cup of tea and I need some cake. So I'm going to take you somewhere that has just recently opened and I'm hoping will be around next year as well. I'm going to Penny's Tea Room. Let's go. Okay, so I'm here in Penny's Tea Room here, and it's not just cakes that Penny does. Penny, tell us a little bit more. What else have you got on the menu?
Okay, so I make homemade quiche, sausage rolls, also I have a soup of the day, homemade every day. Today it's leek and potato, and tomorrow is going to be roasted red pepper and tomato.
Fantastic. So Penny, tell me a little bit how you started up to Penny's Tea Room.
Well, basically, same as everybody else, during lockdown I started baking and realised it was quite easy and I was quite good at it. Somebody told me about this locale and I thought, well, why not try and sell cake? Everybody loves cake, so why not?
Fantastic. And as a self-confessed tea addict, I'm really happy to hear that Penny also serves Yorkshire tea and Tetley tea and has a massive range of herbal teas as well. And if anyone wants something a little bit stronger, there's also loads of beers and loads of spirits. Okay, so consider whether you're visiting the island for a holiday or you're just coming to stay with friends or you're a resident here, come down and check out Santa Ponsa if you've never really been. It's absolutely glorious. Until next time everybody, goodbye for now.